Hey guys, Morgan's Maintenance. Today's tool review is going to be a new tool from Knipex, or not so much a new tool, but some new sizes to an existing tool, and that is the Knipex Twin Grips. So I haven't had the 8201 200s, that's that 200 millimeter 8-inch size, ever since they were released, and I absolutely love them. They found their way in whatever bag I'm running, whatever my main bag is. These are always in them. I find them to be extremely useful. And I've also got a video for the twin grips themselves, how they work, all those things, and why you might want a pair of those, even if you own the Knipex Cobras. So you might want to check out that video. I'm not going to go in crazy detail on how they work and all those kinds of things in this video. This is more to just let you know that there's additional sizes out there. And what I picked up here is the Knipex 9K002006 US4. It's the 3-piece twin grip plier set. You can see Knipex quality, made in Germany. So basically, I bought the 3-piece set. These are going to run you $97 on Amazon. What that includes is the 10-inch pair, the 8201 250s, also that original pair, the 8201 200s, and then a also smaller 6-inch pair, the 8201 150s. So I went ahead and bought the 3-piece set. This runs you $97 on Amazon because each one of the individual new pairs, they were going to cost me like 40 bucks a piece. So basically I got another pair of the originals for $17. I felt like that was a really good deal. So that's why I went ahead and went that route. But again, you can buy them individually if you want to. Here's the one thing that you're going to probably want to see, and I'm not going to go over in crazy detail, is the size chart. So basically the 6-inch, you have a capacity of 1/8 to 5/8 inches, or 3 to 16 millimeter, and then it's also got 3 adjustment positions. The 200 set that we've always had is the 5/32 to 7/8 capacity, or 4 to 22 millimeter, and then 5 positions. And then the 250 pair has 3/16 to an inch and 1/16, or 5 to 27 millimeter, and it has 7 positions. So a lot of capacity, a lot of range on that 250 set, but I don't think that that's going to be quite as useful to me as the 6-inch set. So how does a twin grip work? Again, it's basically a pair of Cobras. If you look at it like this and you look at the head, very similar as far as the look of it there. But again, they're more useful, or not more useful than a Cobra, but they are useful even if you own a Cobra. As I mentioned in that other video, and again, this is just an example. You're probably never going to go in a pipe with it, but if you need to get in somewhere to get to a fastener and you go straight in with your head in a tight spot like that, your handles are going to always end up hitting somewhere. Maybe you can't get to it, get onto that fastener, whatever it is. Whereas a pair of twin grips, you basically have that same head where you can go in straight and grab a hold of something like a screwdriver or whatever it is. So again, I think there's still a really good use for these even if you own Cobras. And it also has that screw extraction on the front, which is basically the main feature of it. So now I can take something like this here, say it's rounded off or very hard to get out, whatever it is, you can take and get your twin grips basically adjusted on that. It's kind of like, again, a pair of screwdriver pliers. And the nice thing is with these being adjustable, because again, you might have some other pliers that don't have this kind of adjustment to be able to change things. You can see how far my hands are spread out right there. I can get good grip on that, but I can also take and adjust this. This one has 5 adjustment positions. You can see there, and again, you get more positions as they get bigger because you obviously got a bigger head. But I can kind of put this in the middle now somewhere, a couple clicks over, put that fastener back in there. And now you can see how much closer my hands are. I can definitely hold grip. And whenever you're extracting a screw that's rounded off or whatever it is, you definitely are going to need to keep pressure on it to be able to get a good grip on there. So that's why it's extremely important. That's why I think Knipex has really knocked it out of the park with screw extraction, having these adjustments right here, because it allows you to change your handle position. Again, just like a Cobra, you can change this here, do the same thing. You've probably used these. You know, the closer you can get your hand together, the more you can keep that closed together, the more tension you can keep on the fastener, the better that they work. But again, I've had the 8-inch pair, this pair here, the 200 millimeter, for quite some time. And ever since I had that pair, I was like, boy, I wish they'd make a small pair. So as soon as I saw that these were going to be available and I could find them somewhere to add them to my cart, I had them coming my way, because I think these are going to be really useful to me. And they are the 150 size. I'm kind of glad that that's the size, because in my Atlas vest, that's what fits in these little pockets. I carry a pair of 150 pliers wrench right here, and then also a pair of 150 Cobras, kind of my everyday carry. So now I'm going to add these to the mix, add another Knipex 150 over in another pocket, and make this part of my everyday carry, my vest too. So if I run into something where I need that straight in action, or I need to do screw extraction, this little pair here is going to work out great for me. So again, this one doesn't have near as much adjustment. It's only got those 3 positions. So you've got really small right here. I'm going to compare that to my engineers. This is the smallest pair I have, a pair of needle nose. But again, you can get on some really small fasteners with these. Now the needle nose still have a place to me in my bag because they are more slim than that of the twin grips, but you're still going to be able to fit this in some pretty tight spots. So there they are in my hand. Again, 3 positions. That's the smallest. I'll click it on over to the biggest. So you're right there. That's probably more like a, screw, like a deck screw or a framing screw or something like that. That's going to be a good size for those. And then you're going to get into the 10-inch. I feel like, to me, these are really big. You're going to get a lot of adjustment positions. What was it, 7? Because again, the head's going to be really big on these. But I feel like, to me, screw extraction with this size, unless you're doing this size fastener right here, which is where your handles are going to be in a good spot, this is going to work really well to be able to get, some good meat on there, be able to get good torque, lots of leverage, all those kinds of things. But to me, if you get up into this, I can't imagine that if I'm trying to extract a screw that's that big, that I'm going to be able to, manhandle it enough to get it to come out unless it's already loose. I don't think it's going to happen. But I see these as being more of a added bonus to having a pair of bigger Cobras that you can't get in somewhere. These are now an option of some bigger, straightforward Cobras to where I can get on the side of a fastener, still like this right here. Of course, obviously that's pretty small, but this is what I'm saying. I think I'm going to use it more like this than I am in that screwdriver mode, just because it's a really big pair. Again, I don't see you extracting very many screws that are rounded off that are that size. If they're in very well, I don't think you're going to have a good time getting those out. But overall, again, I think for the pair to get all 3 sets, I think it's a good bonus to save a little bit of money. But maybe you've already got the 8-inch pair and you only want the 6-inch pair because you're never going to need these. Again, you can buy them individually. I believe they've also got them in comfort grip as well. I think I saw Last Best Tool had some comfort grip ones. I personally like these that are slim, and these are also those textured kind of grips, very similar to, again, that on all your Cobras if you already own those. It's not the real slick, but it's got that texture to it. Maybe you can kind of see that there. I personally really like these grips a lot better than really any of the other Knipex grips. They're a little bit harder to clean than the slick ones, but these are probably my favorite grips by far of any of them. But again, overall, guys, it's just 2 new pairs. Again, I'm not going to go in great detail about how they work. You can check out my other video if you want to. There's been lots of videos on twin grips out there showing you how they work and all those things. This video is just to let you know that the additional sizes have now become available. I'm really excited about this pair right here. I'm kind of excited about this pair here, but I'm glad to have it. But let me know in the comments below which size would be best for you. Maybe you're just going to stick with the originals. Maybe you see no purpose in the small or the big, or maybe you think the big's going to be best for you, the little's going to be best for you. Drop it down in the comments below. Let me know if you've had them. Let me know if you've got them on order and you're waiting for them. But ultimately, again, just letting you know that they're out there. But hope this video was helpful in some way. You guys stay safe. Have a blessed day. I'll see you in the next video.